Alright, investors, let's dive into how to trade XRP on Bitstamp in just 2 minutes. First things first, head over to Bitstamp and create an account. You'll need to go through the identity verification process, which usually involves submitting some ID and proof of address. It might take a bit of time, but it's essential for security. Once your account is verified, it's time to deposit some funds. You can choose between a bank transfer or a cryptocurrency deposit. Just select your preferred payment method and follow the instructions. Now, with your account funded, navigate to the trading interface. Search for the XRP USD market or any other XRP pair you prefer. Ready to place your order? You've got options here: market, limit, or stop orders, depending on your trading strategy. For a quick trade, a market order will execute immediately at the current market price. If you're looking for a specific price, go for a limit order. And to manage risk, consider using a stop order. Once your order is executed, your XRP will appear in your Bitstamp wallet. From there, you can monitor the market, hold on to your XRP, or withdraw it to another wallet as needed. And that's it. You're now ready to trade XRP on Bitstamp. Remember, always do your own research and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching and happy